Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Watch Together in DM. In 2026, the Watch Together feature on Instagram allows you to watch reels, TV shows and movies with friends during a video call or through the new shared space in your DM. All you have to do is go ahead and open DM. From there, head to any chat, then start a video call. Once you start a video call, you should be able to find this option called share your screen. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on it, and you can choose from the options like reels, TV and movies, or like/save. Now once you select any of these options, the video will play for everyone in the call, and you can see your friend's reaction in picture window while the video takes the center stage. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.